Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 79. Start. Dear Mr. Bridges, it will be a pleasure and a privilege to speak to your members at the dinner to be given at the Hotel Webster next Friday night, 10th October, full stop. If it meets with your approval, I shall take as my topic inverted comma start the better use of our leisure time, full stop, inverted comma close. I know that most people believe that they have too little time for play, largely because of the pressure of normal everyday affairs, full stop. However, nearly everybody has hours to spare, and it is quite surprising how much time is wasted because people think they have no time for leisure, full stop. In my remarks, I shall endeavor to show that it is worth an effort to make a better use of our idle hours, full stop. Yours respectfully,